Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FOSSiBOT F101 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So in today's video I'd like to show you two different ways of checking the serial number, and let me start maybe with the longer option via the settings, and later on I'll show you how to do it with the usage of the secret code. So let's enter the settings, and here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to scroll and let's try to localize the serial number. As you can see, it is not in this general section, so let's tap on model. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device. And now let me check it via the secret code. So we have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.